Hi, I'm Tim Fletcher, Executive Chairman of Fletchers, and welcome to Fletchers' Quarterly Market Report for winter 2013. Winter is traditionally a period where the real estate market slows down. However, it appears that in 2013 it is just warming up, with buyer confidence on the rise. The Reserve Bank's decision in May to cut interest rates by 25 basis points resulted in a record low cash rate of just 2.75%. This decision certainly had a positive impact on the property market, especially as the cut was matched or bettered by the four big banks. Vendors are more confident about selling and buyers are out in force, with high levels of attendance at open for inspections and often multiple bidders participating at auctions. Now let's take a look at some of our areas. The inner city apartment market continues to attract first home buyers and investors are returning. There has been strong activity in the 400,000 to 600,000 range, and there are still plenty of buying opportunities. On the Gold Coast, sales volumes have stabilised and the last quarter has seen promising increases over the same quarter in 2012. Let's see what Chris has to say.
Thanks Tim, and welcome to the fabulous Gold Coast for our quarterly market report. The market, coming off a very low base this time last year, has certainly picked up this year on the Gold Coast, and quarter to quarter, March through May, we've seen an increase of 500% plus in the number of sales we're doing here on the Gold Coast. 34 Palm Key Parade in Palm Beach is a great example of that. More than 80 people at the auction, 7 registered bidders, and sold well over reserve. We're seeing more and more properties sold through auction here on the southern Gold Coast, and it's certainly making a difference to our vendors. Number 10 Gold Villa sold shortly after auction, and just a couple of weeks ago we had one sell at auction, and that was 381 Cypress Terrace. By and large, I think we've seen the last of the big dip on the Gold Coast. It's now about buying opportunities. It's about sellers being willing to meet the market, knowing they can full well buy back into the same market. And it's about the Commonwealth Games that are coming up, the tremendous multi-billion-dollar infrastructure spend that's happening here on the Gold Coast. All in all, it's a buying opportunity here on the Gold Coast. Back to you in Melbourne, Tim.
At the 2013 Real Estate Institute of Australia's Awards for Excellence, Fletchers were thrilled to be announced as the Australian Large Residential Agency of the Year. Director Tim Heaviside added to his collection of accolades by being named the Australian Residential Salesperson for the second time in 3 years. Fletchers were also pleased to be announced as the overall winner of the 2013 Australian Achiever Award for Victoria's Real Estate Services, achieving an unprecedented score of 99.58% for our customer relations and service. To keep up to date on real estate news, be sure to follow Fletchers on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. Access our extensive collection of property and real estate videos on our dedicated TV channel at fletcherschannel.tv. I look forward to reporting to you again soon.